Oof, bloody day in the market today. Stocks fell hard. Dow Jones falling over 2%, S&P down 1.6%, and the Nasdaq down 1.06%. And look at that VIX spiking up 22% today as the Delta variant ran a havoc all over the market. Every stock being sold off hard, especially airlines and cruise ships. Unfortunately for us, we got Boeing last week around 230, and it is down to 207. So we are down a lot on that. But I still believe in Boeing in the long term. I think this is a great stock. This stock at one point was well above $400 a share. I think we will regain that in a couple of years, but I definitely think this stock is a $300 stock by the end of the year. So I'm going to be holding on to my put that I sold for about $220 for next year. Also a put credit spread that is not looking too hot on that either. But people want to talk about, is this the end of the market's bull run? Is this going to cause another crash that we saw in March of 2020? And I'm going to say no. I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but I think that this obviously was a little bit of a setback. The Dow Jones did take a little bit of a beating, and but it's what's needed sometimes for us to recover back to where we were. The Nasdaq had 5 straight red days in a row. It's been a little brutal for it, but I think that these pullbacks are healthy. I think it gives people opportunities to get into stocks that they wanted to. I think Boeing's a great buy here. Some stocks were unnecessarily beat down today, and they recovered hard at the end. Amazon was one of them that I saw got beaten down badly. Unfortunately, I didn't have any money, but this stock was under 3,400 at one point today. And I think that's just a screaming buy, considering the fact that Amazon actually benefits from a COVID variant out there, and obviously the market decided to see that at the end, and it recovered 1.6% after that. So when certain stocks are beaten down for no reason that are not affected by this, then it's a good time to pounce on them. Some stocks I am a little worried about, some of the airlines and the cruise ships, but again, I think this can be a tremendous opportunity. I really do believe that. Carnival was down big today at one point. You got Carnival at the lows. Oh my goodness, man. This thing was 19.20, and I wanted to get in so badly, but I was unable to, unfortunately. And now it's back in the 20s. So yeah, it sucks because it's a great opportunity and a great bargain out there to get into these companies. But sometimes they fall hard. I thought last week was going to be the bottom for Carnival at about 21, and then it dropped 6% since then. So again, all perspective, but these can be great buying opportunities if you know why they are falling. And we know that this is because of the Delta variant out there, which is a COVID strain, and it does affect a lot of companies. It affects the cruise ships, it affects the airlines. But at the end of the day, I still think these are really, really good buying opportunities for the long term, because we are long-term investors at the end of the day. And I think that a stock sitting near its range on the lower end can be a pretty good buy. So again, I will look at these things and try and make the best possible decision, but I think that it can turn out to be a very, very good opportunity to buy the dip if you're going long term. So our Boeing puts that we sold are next year, January 2022. Some of our credit spreads are not. They're more shorter term, and we did take a beating on that, which is not good. But some of the things we are very positive on, such as our Alibaba. We were able to add a little bit today when it was low. Unfortunately, only one of them. I wanted to get a lot more, but we were only able to get one more on our main account. But that thing recovered nicely as well, and I expect that thing to recover, back to the 220s very soon. It also has earnings on the 3rd of August. So again, we can use these dips as opportunities to buy if we're going a long-term approach. Obviously, you don't want to buy all in at once, but slowly filtering into a stock that you like at a lower price can be very beneficial. So again, all the indexes fell pretty hard today. I think it was a healthy pullback. Obviously, I don't like seeing my account down massive, but it's one of those things that happens. So, let me know your thoughts on all this, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, it means a ton to me, and hop in the Discord in the link in the description below. Love to chat with you guys. So have a great day. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.